Welcome to the Lifetime Training module on Levels, Compensation, and Draw. Today's objectives are to introduce you to the Lifetime Training level system, understand Lifetime's compensation metrics, as well as recognize our Draw program. Let's begin. The Lifetime Training level system starts off with understanding our approved certifications. Lifetime recognizes more than 100 certifications in the industry that qualify for our levels system. As you can see, they are broken up into different categories. In order to be hired as a fitness professional at Lifetime, you must possess an approved new hire certification. An example of this would be either a degree in the field, completion of the Lifetime Academy, or possessing a foundational certification. An example of a foundational certification would be a personal training certificate. Do know that you need to acquire a foundational certification within your first 6 months of hire. Lifetime also recognizes specialty certifications that are either sport-specific, equipment-oriented, or for special populations. Now that you understand our approved certifications breakdown, let's see how that relates to your status as a Lifetime Training fitness professional. Within the Lifetime Training level system, we have a 3-tier education platform. Fitness professionals are classified into one of 3 categories based on the quantity of approved certifications that they possess. A fitness professional can be a premier trainer, an elite trainer, or a master trainer. A premier trainer at Lifetime has a foundational certification and 1 or less specialty certifications. An elite trainer has a foundational certification and 2 specialty certifications. A master trainer has a foundational certification and 3 or more specialty certifications. Do know that if you have more than 1 foundational certification, any additional ones will count as specialty certifications. Now that we have identified your status in the Lifetime Training level system, let's see how that relates to your charge rate. For one-on-one services, Lifetime has various charge rates based on your club's tier. Lifetime's facilities are classified into one of 5 tiers based off of club membership status. Tier 1 charges the most, ranging from $99 to $139 per hour session, and Tier 5 charges the least, ranging $59 to $99 per session. Consult with your personal training manager on which club tier you are. Let's take a look at an example in Tier 3. A fitness professional classified as a premier trainer would charge either $79 or $89 per hour session, dependent upon their 3-month trailing average. We'll explain what that means shortly. An elite trainer will charge $99 a session, and a master trainer will charge either $109 or $119, again dependent on their 3-month trailing average. As you can see, the higher your status, the higher you can charge per one-on-one session. Again, speak to your personal training manager about any variance in your club's charge rate. Lifetime has various compensation structures for our Core 3 programming. We offer various programs, products, and services that all pay out differently. The bulk of your paycheck will come from one-on-one services, so we'll dive deep into how this works. In order to understand your commission structure, you first must need to understand your 3-month trailing average. Lifetime looks back the past 3 months and identifies your monthly average in total sales. In this example, for an individual receiving pay in the month of April, Lifetime would look back the past 3 months of January, February, and March. Determining what your monthly average was in total sales will tell us your trainer level. Let's take again at a look as a Tier 3 trainer. If your average is between $0 and $4,999, you will qualify as a Level 1 trainer. If your average is $5,000 to $6,999, you will qualify as a Level 2 trainer, and you would be eligible for that $10 increase in your charge rate. If your average was $7,000 to $10,999, you would be a Level 3 trainer. If your average was $11,000 to $12,999, you would be a Level 4 trainer. And if your average was $13,000 and beyond, you would be a level 5 trainer, as well as qualifying for that $10 increase in charge rate as well. Now, do know that there are some limitations to the commission structure. A premier trainer is only eligible for level 1 and level 2 compensation, regardless of their 3-month average. An elite trainer is only eligible for tiers 1, 2, and 3, again regardless of their 3-month average. It's only a master trainer that's eligible for all 5 tiers. If you are a level 1 trainer based off of your 3-month average, you would receive about 46% of your training session's value. If you are a level 2, you will receive 49%. Level 3 would receive 51%. Level 4, 53%. And level 5, 58%. As you can see, the higher your level, the higher commission structure you have. Lifetime also has an education rake. Lifetime is dedicated to increasing your education and providing resources for your success. We provide various ways for you to obtain continuing education credits through various platforms that are available to you at no cost. Lifetime also provides you a one-time career credit of $350 towards any one of our approved certifications. In exchange, Lifetime takes 5% of your training session's value. Let's take a look and see how that works. If your education status is an elite trainer, meaning you have a foundational certification and 2 specialty certifications, in a Tier 3 club, you would charge $99 per session. If your 3-month average was $8,350, you will qualify for level 3 pay, which would be 51%, broken into 18% from sales and 33% from service. Because there is that education rake, Lifetime takes your charge rate and divides it by 1.05. Your new session value is $94.29. Your commission off of that session would be $16.97 from sales and $31.12 from service. Now that you understand how you are paid, let's figure out when you are paid. Lifetime has pay periods that run 2 weeks in duration. They start on Sundays and end on the following Saturday. Payday is every other Friday. Taking a look at an example, if you were to service and sell items from November 13th through November 26th, you would receive pay on the following Friday, which would be December 2nd, from your serviced and sold items. Another aspect to pay is Lifetime's draw program. Because we are 100% commission-based employees, Lifetime is obligated to have a program called Draw. It is a safety net loan, meaning that while your commissionable-based business ramps, Lifetime is obligated to pay you for your time. However, the funds that you do receive in Draw, you are required to pay them back. How it typically works is the state's minimum wage multiplied by 1.5. Taking a look at an example of a state minimum wage at $7.25 an hour, multiplied by 1.5 comes to $10.88 an hour. Lifetime is obligated to pay you $10.88 an hour or your earned sales and service commissions, whichever is higher. Let's take a look at an example. If you were to work a pay period which is 80 working hours and not train a single person or not sell a single service, Lifetime is obligated to pay you $10.88 multiplied by 80 hours, and that would come to $870. That is what your paycheck will read, but you now owe Lifetime in Draw $870. Your next paycheck, let's say you do much better. You earn $3,000 in total commissions, but because you owe Lifetime that $870, we take that back right off the top. That doesn't put you back into Draw again. Your new paycheck would be $2,130. Do know that every state is different, so again consult with your personal training manager on what your state's Draw policy is. Now that you've understand Lifetime Training's level system, our compensation metrics, and our Draw program, you should feel much better about being a fitness professional and understanding our commission and our business obligations.